First, take a look at this video.
You'd never guess this empty tin can becomes a beautiful farmhouse planter. Watch this. Grab an empty can, jute rope, hot glue, foam, push in the faux lavender.
These DIY craft videos are going insanely viral across social media. And the best part, every single one of them can be created using just one AI tool. So, to create videos like these, you'll need a master prompt. I designed this master prompt myself, and I'm giving it to you completely free. You'll find the master prompt link in the description. Now copy the master prompt and head over to ChatGPT. Paste the prompt and press enter. ChatGPT will generate 10 DIY craft video ideas for you. If you don't like any of them, simply type 10 more ideas, and it will generate another list. Once you find an idea you like, select it. For this tutorial, I'm choosing idea number 4. Simply type 4 here and press enter. ChatGPT will then generate a complete text-to-video prompt with a matching voiceover script. Copy that prompt and head over to Google Flow AI. Here, make sure you've selected the correct settings for video generation. Then paste the prompt into the prompt box and press enter. After a short wait, your video will be ready. Download it. There's just one more thing. We need to remove the watermark. Go to geminiwatermark.io. Click Drop Video and upload your video. Then select the free option and click Remove Watermark. In a few moments, the watermark will be removed completely without reducing your video's quality. If you want more helpful tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe and let me know in the comments what tutorial you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.